This is Grandma Angela and my Zaza. Let's go find these boys and see what they're getting into. Because you know, as my mama, her great-grandmother would say, they will tear your house up, splinter by splinter. So we got to go see what these boys are up to. Let's go see what they're up to. They said a pull-up bar. They're using the tree as a pull-up bar. Okay, what's going on? Huh?
Why aren't you getting down from the tree?
And he's making up excuses so he doesn't have to come down.
Well, but maybe he doesn't feel like coming down right now. Come on, let's see. Okay, when you get down, are you just going to jump down?
That's what I usually do.
Just jump down?
Yeah, just jump
Okay,
down.
let's watch. He's going to just jump down. Let me see. This is Kasim. Oh my God! Now, hold this. Hold this. Hold on. Let me show them who can do a pull-up. Let me show them. Okay. Okay. Zara, come stand in front of me.
Well, now there's some stand on What did I do?
Stand in front of me. All the way. Come on, Zara. I'm going to show these. I'm going to show these little. Okay. You get back. Can you see me, Zara?
Yeah.
Now, how many pull-ups do you think I can do? How many? One. Okay.
5.
Here we go. 5. Okay, here we go. Okay.
If it's sturdy enough.
Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, come on. Who's next? Who's next? Go on. This is Red.
1, 2,
It's not even 2.
3.
He got there, okay? He got there.
Let's each try to do
4.
3. 5.
Okay, fine. Now,
Jump down.
come on, come on.
It's fine.
Show me what you're working with.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Come on, y'all.
6.
Come on, Yasin. Show me. No, Yasin. Come on, Yasin. Show me what you. No, come on, Yasin. Show me what you're working with. And then Zai, you next. Show me what you capture. Zai.
I'm not good at these.
I don't care if you're good. I want an effort. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, get down, Riyadh. I want Ya. Come on, Yasin. Come on, Yasin. We're not quitters. Come on, Ya. Come on. Show me what you're working. Yasin, come on. Do it. Come on. We're not quitting. There you go. Come on. 1, 2. There you go. 3. There you go. 4. There you go. 5. Okay. Bam. Bam. There you go. That's what I'm saying. I don't take quit. I don't take it. There you go. Tell me what you can't do. I know what you can do. No, Zara's time. Come on, Zara. Come on, Zara. Come on, Zara. Either way, under or over. Come on, Zara. Come on, Zara. Give me 1. Come on, Zara. Get back. Come on, Zara. Come on, Zara. I got you. Come on.
Spider. That hurt. Look, I'll get him.
Get the spider. Get the spider.
That hurt my hands.
I know that was tough, but no, I don't accept. I can't. Give me 1, Zara. Give me 1.
I'm trying to get the spider off first.
Y'all, if it's the smallest book, she gonna find it. Okay, you got rid of the spider?
Yeah.
Okay, now come on, Zara. Come on. Show me. There you go, Zara. 1. Come on. Come on, Zara. 2. That's all right. She gave me 1. 2. There you go, Zara. Come on. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Who's over here? I need Zara. I can't be the only female out here. Come on, Zara. Zara, what you ain't showing? I need my back. Don't get the mailbox, guys. I'm not the camera. Kill. No, everybody get back with me. Get back in the grass. Okay, come on. Down. On your mark. Ready? 1. 2. There you go. 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 Go.
I'll go in front like we have one in the room.
No.
Race it to the garage door.
Wait, you guys go get the scooters over there. You all go get the scooters. Sir, is that water still cold?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, how old are you, Kasim?
10.
10, okay. And you're gonna do push-ups. How many push-ups are you gonna do?
I'm going to try to do 40.
40? Okay. Yeah, are you ready? You ready? Okay, come on, show me what you're working with. Show me what you're working with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. He didn't cross his feet. 20, 21, 22, 23. Look at this boy. 24, 25, 26. He's on his knuckles. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Come on, you got it. 32. Come on, you got it. 33, 34. Come on, Kasim. 35, 36. Come on. 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, boys. Show me what. Come on, Kasim. Get up. This is her. Come on. How did you do that? Tell me how you made that happen, Kasim. Come on. Talk to me. How did you do that? Talk to me, Kasim.
Push-ups, I guess.
Wait a minute. How does that feel to accomplish your goal? How does that feel, Kasim?
Good.
All righty. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload videos. And if you are already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. See ya.